every single new working code in Blue Lock. Redeem every single one of these codes to get all the rewards. And we just got a blue one. That is one of the worst goal animations. I have 10 times better goal animations than that. I have the graveyard. Look at the graveyard. How did I even get it? I don't remember. I do not even remember. We got the new update. NEL NAGI update. Every single new and working code. Do not miss any future codes. Redeem all the codes that I'll be showing you in today's video. We got Lazy Luck, Genius. For the first code, Lazy Luck, Genius. You do have to be level 5 or level 10 to even redeem these codes. But I'm sure you will get it. It's only gonna take you a couple hours of playing. Next up, guys, if you do want yourself a extra slot in Blue Lock, we'll get some extra slots in Blue Lock right now. Comment down below heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you want yourself a extra slot in Blue Lock Rivals in the comments down below. The next code is 2 million. We hit 2 million. Redeem. We hit 2 million for lucky spins. 3 lucky spins. 3 lucky spins. Miro. W Miro. Wait, what happened with NEL NAGI? Did he get changed? Did he get reworked? Or is he back into the rotation? He might be back into the rotation. W Miro. Redeem every single working code. Where is NEL NAGI? Where is NEL NAGI? I don't see him. Does anybody know? Let me check out the styles. So we go to styles. Low-key, okay. NEL NAGI. World class, by the way. World class. So what happened to this guy? Anybody knows? Anybody knows? Nobody knows.